Water bottle effect animation. Insert rectangle curve corner. Make bottle from shape. Control plus D for duplicate. Make top part of water bottle. Control plus A for select all. Go to Format tab. Shape fill then no fill. Merge shape then union. Outline color black. Insert rectangle. Draw like this. Right click and send to back. Select rectangle and bottle. Merge shape. Combine. Adjust bigger than slide. Shape outline black. Shape fill no fill. Insert rectangle. Draw like this. Insert flag. Draw like this. Control plus D for duplicate. Follow my step. Select blue object. Merge shape then union. Adjust like this. Give blue color. Shape outline then no outline. Right click then send to back. Click to white area. Click on animation tab then animation pane. Zoom out slide. Click to white area. Add animation then spin. Right click on animation then effect option. Right 20. Okay. Right click and go to effect option. Timing fast. Click to white area. Add animation then spin. Right click and start after previous. Right click go to effect option. Click on counterclockwise then right 20. Click auto reverse. Go to timing and give fast. Give background black. Press F5 from keyboard.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the